Electrical sparks can be a common occurrence, but it's crucial to understand their causes and how to prevent them to ensure safety. Sparks are essentially a visual manifestation of electrical discharge, where electricity jumps across a gap. One of the most frequent causes of sparks is loose electrical connections. When wires are not securely fastened to outlets, switches, or appliances, the resistance at the connection point increases. This elevated resistance leads to heat generation, which can eventually cause the connection to spark and potentially ignite nearby flammable materials. Regularly inspect and tighten all electrical connections to mitigate this risk. Another common cause is damaged or frayed wiring. The insulation surrounding electrical wires protects them from short circuits and accidental contact. If the insulation is compromised due to age, wear, or physical damage, the exposed wires can come into contact with each other or grounded surfaces, resulting in sparks and short circuits. Immediately replace any damaged wiring to prevent electrical hazards. Overloaded circuits are also a significant source of sparks. Each circuit in your home is designed to handle a specific amount of electrical current, measured in amps. Plugging too many appliances into a single circuit can exceed its capacity, causing the wires to overheat and potentially spark. Use power strips with surge protection to distribute the load and avoid overloading circuits. Additionally, consider having a qualified electrician install additional circuits if you frequently experience overloaded circuits. Faulty appliances can also be responsible for electrical sparks. Internal components within appliances can degrade over time, leading to short circuits or other electrical malfunctions. If you notice sparks coming from an appliance, immediately unplug it and have it inspected and repaired by a professional. Do not attempt to repair appliances yourself unless you have the necessary expertise and safety equipment. The presence of moisture can also contribute to electrical sparks. Water is a good conductor of electricity, so if moisture comes into contact with electrical components, it can create a path for current to flow where it shouldn't, resulting in sparks. Ensure that all electrical outlets and appliances are kept away from water sources, and use ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Dust and debris accumulation can also cause sparks. Dust, cobwebs, and other debris can accumulate inside electrical panels, outlets, and appliances. This buildup can create a conductive path, especially in humid conditions, leading to sparks and potential fires. Regularly clean electrical panels and appliances to prevent dust accumulation. Static electricity can also generate small sparks, particularly in dry environments. Static electricity is a buildup of electrical charge on a surface which can discharge when it comes into contact with another object. While static sparks are typically harmless, they can ignite flammable materials in certain situations. Increase humidity levels in your home and use anti-static sprays to reduce the risk of static electricity. Another less common, but still important, cause is lightning strikes. Lightning is a powerful electrical discharge that can cause significant damage to electrical systems. Install lightning rods and surge protectors to protect your home from lightning strikes. Surge protectors can help to absorb the excess voltage from lightning, preventing damage to your appliances and electrical system. Arcing is another type of electrical discharge that can produce sparks. Arcing occurs when electricity jumps across a gap between two conductors, creating a sustained electrical discharge. Arcing can be caused by loose connections, corroded contacts, or damaged insulation. If you notice arcing, immediately turn off the power to the affected circuit and have it inspected and repaired by a qualified electrician. To ensure electrical safety, it is essential to follow these safety measures. Firstly, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical components. This prevents accidental electrocution and reduces the risk of electrical sparks. Secondly, use the correct size and type of wire for all electrical connections. Using undersized wire can cause overheating and sparks, while using the wrong type of wire can compromise the insulation and increase the risk of short circuits. Thirdly, properly ground all electrical outlets and appliances. Grounding provides a safe path for electricity to flow in the event of a fault, preventing electrical shocks and reducing the risk of sparks. Fourthly, never overload electrical circuits. Overloading circuits can cause the wires to overheat and potentially spark. Use power strips with surge protection to distribute the load and avoid plugging too many appliances into a single circuit. Fifthly, regularly inspect and maintain your electrical system. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged wiring, and signs of overheating. Have your electrical system inspected by a qualified electrician at least every 3 to 5 years to ensure it is in good working order. Sixthly, use ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in areas prone to moisture. GFCIs are designed to detect ground faults and immediately cut off the power, preventing electrical shocks. Seventhly, install arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, in your electrical panel. SIs are designed to detect arc faults and immediately cut off the power, preventing electrical fires. Eighthly, keep electrical outlets and appliances away from water sources. Water is a good conductor of electricity, so if moisture comes into contact with the electrical components, it can create a path for current to flow where it shouldn't, resulting in sparks. Ninthly, never use extension cords as a permanent wiring solution. Extension cords are designed for temporary use only. If you need additional outlets, have a qualified electrician install them. Tenthly, be aware of the signs of electrical problems. These include flickering lights, burning smells, and warm outlets. If you notice any of these signs, immediately turn off the power to the affected circuit and have it inspected by a qualified electrician. 11thly, educate yourself about electrical safety. The more you know about electricity, the better equipped you will be to prevent electrical hazards. Take electrical safety courses and read about electrical safety practices. Electrical safety is a critical aspect of home and workplace safety. By understanding the causes of electrical sparks and implementing appropriate prevention measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents and ensure a safe environment. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity and consult a qualified electrician if you have any concerns or questions. Remember to always respect electricity and its potential hazards. Taking these precautions can save lives and prevent property damage.